The 2 Tyres Guide to the Michelin Power GP2. The Power GP2 is Michelin's newest road-legal track-focused tyre. It's available in 1 front size, a 120/70/17, and 5 rear sizes, covering everything from mini-twins right up to full-on superbikes. These tyres are dual compound, with a silica-rich central section for a fast warm-up and longevity, while the almost slick shoulders contain carbon black to optimize edge grip and confidence at full lean. This is an extreme tyre, and if you're a fast road rider but you don't do track days, you might be better off on a Power 6, which has a wider operating window and will work better in colder or wet conditions. However, if you want the ultimate in edge grip for those sunny B road blasts, or a tyre you can ride to your track day and run without tyre warmers, the GP2 is a real contender. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.